Look at that. Hey, it took a little bit of extra time rather than ripping and tearing, but I think overall I'll probably be able to sell all this for $95 or $125. What do you think for all this planking? And these shovels really come in handy again. Do is I gotta be careful around those corners. Now see how these kind of are interwoven with the next bit. So I'm gonna have to, I'm just gonna work on it. You know how I have been with my shovels, my flat bar, and everything else. However I need to do it. I gotta get these loose over here. Now I could be in a slight quandary. I'll figure it out. There. See, I get that one up high enough now. I can reach that one out, and I can keep going on that. See, you just keep working on it. You gotta be careful over there. Not to get it too far. I saw I almost messed it up again. Whew. I'm not going to show a video of this whole thing, but you get the idea. Okay. that one again. Damn it. Be careful with that. There, like that. Like that. Okay. There, see? You'll get the hang of it. You will. Because it's underneath the baseboard. There. Okay. Whew. I haven't spent that long on this. I mean, it's all got to come up sooner or later anyways, right? Be careful with your base, because some of this kind of went underneath the base edge, and I've seen that down over here along this edge and stuff. So little by little you go. Now this, I'm not going to mess with any of that until I get this further. See, once I get it further beyond that point there, then I can drop back and do that over there if I want. Actually, I can only do so much. I'll probably leave that and I'll continue this way, and I'll get all this, then I'll come back, pull up all the black paper, and then I'll look for all the staples in the floor, because there's still lots of staples in the floor, and I got to pull all those up. Then I'll sweep all that up before I take this out, because what I'm going to have to do is take that and then I'll slide it. I'll take this refrigerator here, and then I'll slide it over into this area after I get it all swept up and cleaned up. You see what I mean? Then I can leave it there. If you want it plugged in, I can plug it in over there, and then I can keep working on this floor. Boom, boom, boom. Same thing. This, I don't think the floor goes underneath that. I think it stops right there. There's a toe kick piece of trim underneath most dishwashers that if I unscrew that, that probably just goes underneath that ledge, and then I'll take that out. Sometimes the flooring guys or the tile guys, if you're doing a tile floor, travertine floor, natural stone floor, something like that, they'll go in all the way underneath your dishwasher. Well, you don't necessarily have to do that. I'd like to see them do that. When I was talking to the vinyl planking guys, I was saying, hey, what are you going to do next to the dishwasher? And he said, oh, we'll probably go underneath the first 2 feet. There's 2 feet here and 2 in the back. And then he said, we'll just probably leave it after that. And I'll have to see what's happening with this, because I have a feeling that flooring, let's just see, shall we? Most drawers can be taken out. Let's take this drawer out and check under there, shall we? Get down and dirty. Okay, you see, they did the entire floor underneath there, and they did that, of course, where the refrigerator is. I'd like to see them do that where the dishwasher is too, and I can leave that out. Maybe it'll make it easier for me when I get ready to pull that out. And I'm going to have to remember, see, this is gas. This is gas stove, so I'm going to have to pull it out a little bit, and then there should be a gas valve back there. Turn that off, disconnect that, and then I can drag that sucker out of there. Okay, little by little, I'll get it. So I got my shovels under there. If I can get, almost 4 feet loose, then I can kind of wiggle some of those out of there and get that row out. You got to kind of fight it a little bit until you get some sort of rhyme or reason. Your system, you'll get it. You'll get it. Let's just do a little bit more here. I got my flat bar upside down, so it's got this pushed up. So I got this full one off the floor, so now I should be able to wedge that out of there. That. Get that up high enough, and I can wedge that one down below, like that. It's all about your leverage. See, I got that one below, so now I can take that one out. So you just work on it. Little by little, right? Little by little. Off the floor now. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going so I can get this middle section out of here. Once I get the middle, obviously, then it will be easier to get the sides and the sides over here and into the bathroom and all that. Keep it going. You're doing it.